Hi, I'm Lindsay.
I'm Dwayne.
We're from Hillside Elementary School, and we just had the pleasure and honor of seeing Mr. Peace come and speak to our children here. The impact that he made on the kids walking out was phenomenal. The tears that the kids had as they're watching some videos and listening to him speak were incredible and so heartfelt, and you could just tell the impact was amazing.
Yeah, to add on to that, it was just phenomenal seeing the kids interact with Mr. Peace and enjoying a lot of his rapping, music, his highlights on the screen and whatnot. It was really cool.
Highly recommend everybody to have Mr. Peace come out to your school and come out and just spread that love, that kindness that we can just show one another and make this world a better place just by one kindness act at a time. We are so grateful.
Yes, thank you. Be kind.